Game 1, Season 2, kalaban mo si Derby. Blaze, welcome sa Elite 8. Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon, Tol?
Basic, di ko nakabahan.
Ano masasabi mo sa makakalaban mo ngayon, G?
Hanggat may lupa pa, matras ka na.
Elite 8 Season 2, Game 1. Derby, welcome sa Elite 8 ulit. Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon, Maggie?
Sakto lang. Kasi si Blaze naman kalaban eh.
Ano ang aabangan nila sa'yo, Tol?
Mga malilibit na galawan.
As an underdog. Yeah, let's not. This finds Irving. Back to Davis.
Yes. Came to Kyrie Irving. Coach said trying to contain him tonight.
It's been a while. Thompson for three. 6 to Irving. And he drops in the layup.
You can't take that shot in front of Davis. His reach is high.
3. And Davis, here we go. Happy to see that. Dinwiddie passes to Lively. Irving dishes to Marshall. Oh,
they're going to climb out of this hole.
Vincent with it. He's been corner. It's James. Pass to Hachimura. Up and in. It is trailed by 5. Oh, look. Loads it up for Davis. Beyond the arc. This time. It's James and Hachimura. Doncic out there with Austin Reeves. Looking to get it going. And the shot is good. And here's the fast break. LeBron leading the way.
LeBron!
To the right. On 2 of 5 shooting here in the third quarter. Reeves and a beautiful. Now here's Marshall. Reeves outside. Here's Vincent, and the last shot of the buzzer doesn't go in for Hayes. He's checked in for Dorian Finney-Smith.
Out there helps Luka find an opening, and he just explodes on the drive.
3, Marshall. Good. We've gone about a minute and a half into the fourth quarter. Takes the 3. Another deal. Here we go, one-on-one. Here's Reeves, and the shot is.
So what? That's no reason to slow down out there.
Take that ice-cold streak. Washington passes to Irving, and it's been a. James in the post. Hachimura with a screen on Thompson. Reeves gets her. How do you approach this next possession?
Yeah, always intriguing to see what a coach draws up in this situation. They've got a short. You have to do that, though. You can't just let them go the game.
He hits the put them up by 2.
Nasilat. Oh! Ang ina, 1 second.
No doubt he is feeling the importance of this moment right now. What do you think we're going to see here?
And with under 2 seconds remaining, they need something quick. Don't have time for an extra pass here, but they want to try for a 3 off.
Blaze, nasilat ni Derby ang Game 1, Tol. Alam masasabi mo sa naging laro mo ngayon, Tol?
Pakagat lang yung pakagat.
Anong abangan nila sa'yo? Game 2, Tol.
Ito na yung tunay na laro.
Silat mo ang unang panalo, G. Alam masasabi mo sa naging laro mo, Tol?
Solid. Masabi ko lang sa kalaban, huwag magpakap sampahan.
Anong abangan nila sa'yo, Tol? Game 2.
Ayun, sana makasungkit ulit ng panalo.